Hello guys, you're welcome back to River FX, the home of trading strategy. On this video, I am trying to introduce to you an envelope trading system that will change your trading game. Now in this system, I am going to be dropping completely for free. Completely for free. Be sure to watch the entire video because I am going to embed a password to the file that I'm going to zip and send across into the Telegram channel. If you're new to my channel, consider liking this video, sharing the video, dropping a comment down below, tell me what you think about the system, and don't forget, most important, subscribe to my channel. That's one way of saying thank you to me. I'm not asking anything back. So without wasting further time, let's go into the video. Now this trading system works with a band, like an envelope band. So for some of those who love using the envelope for trading, this trading system is for you, going to be for you. Although I have found that sometimes it does repaint, but then you can also use further confluences based on what I'm going to show you. I am trying this currently on GBP, works on any currency pairs and even metal. So let's see how we would have entered. So on this one, we saw this. We'll wait for price to come and if possible, break and close below the bottom of our envelope for a buy, and then we'll wait for another candle to come in and close inside, then wait for this to turn blue with our arrow. Sometimes it do repaint, so it's important to wait for the candle to close in most cases, and then taking your buy. Remember, this is the H1 time, so you're not looking at kind of small. Any arrow that appears within the middle, stay away. It's mostly range. See here, that was the case. So let me clean that up. Now this is going to be the password. That will be the password of the file I'm going to be sending across this trading system. That will be the password. So let me show you another entry. Let's see. Let's see. Good. So around this point, price came, did the same thing up here, would not have entered, waited for it to come back in and close, and for this to turn red with the arrow, and we took that to the other side of the band. That is pure profits. That's pure profit. You can choose to remove some of these lines for clearer chat. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if I can remove all of that. Aha. So you see we have a more clearer chart. You can actually see, but if you are a risk trader, an aggressive one, you could trade from band to band. This point you entered, run it to the upside, and especially you note that the envelope is actually trending upwards, so you favor more of the buys, so as you can see, the price delivers quite well. And this is another one, right here. Price did it stand, came all the way up here, didn't close above, showed an arrow, had a red. For me, I would have taken this because price was already trending downward, you can see. But then we had further confirmation here with this. We still would have entered, ran the trade down to the lower part of the band. And if you had chosen to take that buy, a risky buy, you have still gone in your way, your profit. You made profits from it. So that's it about this trading system. I'm going to be dropping this trading system completely for free in the Telegram channel along with this video. Be sure to watch completely, get the password, and try this trading system and make good yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's one way of saying thank you. Share the video, like, and drop a comment. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.